So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a Gemini subscription. So the first thing you want to do is open up Gemini. So you can see here it will say hello and then your first name that you've added. You can see the caption underneath that says ask Gemini, so you can talk and ask Gemini a question. And if you wish to upgrade it, you can go to your profile in the top right. It will open up and you can see here upgrade to Google AI Pro. Once you've clicked on that, you will see the option and you can manage your subscription. Now through there, you can also cancel your subscription as well, and you're going to be billed just for that time period and not the next refreshing period that you need to put in a subscription fee. You can also check that out in the App Store. If you open your app, you can see underneath on today, you can go to your profile in the top right and you can find subscriptions on here, and you can choose the option to toggle the subscription you have on Google Gemini, and you can make it canceled through there. And once you cancel it, it's no longer going to be billing you for that monthly or annual subscription that you have set up. But make sure that you don't expect using the Pro version anymore after that. So that's how there's a few ways you can manage and cancel your subscription on Google Gemini AI. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Gemini or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.